Come and explore a Seesaw writing lesson. Our focus lesson is Constructed Response. Reduce anxiety and prepare your 2nd to 5th grade students for state and benchmark writing assessments with constructed response lessons. As Joan Sedita highlights in The Writing Rope, summarizing builds critical thinking through selecting key details and condensing information. These lessons provide explicit scaffolds to brainstorm, take notes, organize thoughts, and condense information through writing. Summary writing lessons provide tailored support for different levels of writing and language needs. Differentiate instruction by assigning activities to small groups or different students, or build in scaffolded challenges by assigning all 3 levels. Students read grade-level narrative, informational, opinion, and poetry passages before writing the gist or main idea in Level 1, a summary sentence in Level 2, or a summary paragraph in Level 3. Performance task lessons empower students to engage in higher-order reading comprehension and writing practice. Students transfer their writing skills to a new project-based prompt activity. Students can use the drawing, voice, text, or camera tools to take notes on each grade-leveled text. Students are then prompted to plan, draft, revise, and edit a writing piece based on the prompt and the texts they read. As students complete their writing task, they have access to the texts, plus writing and grammar checklists. Interested in exploring other types of Seesaw writing lessons? Check out our next videos to continue learning.